Today we will continue this chapter. As I told you, in this there are three parts, so we are doing the second part, isn't it? This is
Yes.
we are doing the second part, Coorg. Okay. So, what is Coorg famous for? Who will answer?
Ma'am,
What is Coorg famous for?
ma'am, coffee,
Yes, coffee. Three things. One
ma'am,
is coffee,
spices,
spices, and coffee, spices, and
ma'am, coffee,
coffee, spices,
ma'am,
and what
coffee,
else?
ma'am, evergreen rainforest,
Evergreen rainforest. Coffee, spices, and evergreen rainforest.
rainforest.
Yes. Coffee, spices, and evergreen rainforest. Okay. So, what is the other name for Coorg? What is the other name for Coorg?
Ma'am, Kodagu,
Yes, Kodagu is the other name for Coorg. Okay. Okay, Pragya, what is one of the story related to the origin of the Kurgi people? Pragya?
once Alexander's, yes, ma'am.
Yes, answer.
Ma'am, once Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled there. And the army of Alexander married to the local people of that area.
Yes.
And then they started Indian culture and became Indian.
Yes, very good. So, one story is about the Alexander's army. They settled along the southern coast because, due to some reasons, they could not return back to their country. They married the local woman and they settled over there. So that what makes the writer guess that they are not from Indian origin? Sugandh, why do people say they are not from India? Who will answer this? Neha Sinha? Neha? Okay. How can we say that the people of Coorg are not from Indian origin?
And by their dressing sense.
By their dressing sense. Okay, their dress is different from the dress of the Indian males worn in India. What is the other reason? Hello, who will answer?
Ma'am, they
Sakshi?
wore a dress unlike Arabs.
See this line, these people married among locals and their culture is apparent in the martial traditions, marriage, and religious rites. Their religious rites are different from the Indian people. Why do people think that those who settled in Coorg are not from India? Because their ceremonies, their rituals are very different from the Indian people. So one reason is also about the dress. Okay. Who will answer? Kishan? Kishan, what is the other story related to the origin of Kurgi people? One Pragya said about the Alexander's army. What is the other story? Kishan, am I audible to you? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Vijaya? Vijaya Roy? Vijaya, am I audible to you? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the other story? One is about Alexander's army. What is the other story? Huh? Advait, you want to answer?
And the other story is that Kodavus are from Arabic region.
Yes. So what makes the people guess about this theory that they are from Arabic region? The dress. The dress of the Kurgis and the dress of the Arab is the same. The Arabs
देखो अरे फोन कर रहा है हम उठाए नहीं हम काट दिए मेरा मैसेज
mute.
बोलो
So the dress is also very similar. So we were on this page, isn't it? Okay. What are the Kurgi people famous for? Will answer. Answer. Kishan, Neha Sinha. Neha,
They are famous for their bravery.
Anuj. Okay, Anuj, answer. What are the
They are
Kurgi?
famous for their bravery and honesty.
Yes, they are famous for their bravery, and they are famous also for their hospitality. What is the meaning of Velar? Neha, can you hear me? Neha? Neha Sinha.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Uh, what is the meaning of Velar? Valor.
Ma'am, stories of courage and bravery.
Yes. Valor means bravery. Kurgi people are very brave. And what is the evidence of their bravery? Who can tell me what is the evidence that Kurgi people are very brave? Hello?
They have most medals on their uniforms.
They have? Yes. They have the most number of bravery medals on their dress. We see the Kurgi soldiers. They are the soldiers who have the maximum number of bravery medals on their dress. And one very unique thing is that the people of Kurg are permitted to keep firearms without license. The people of Kurg are permitted to keep firearms without license. So that is the trust that people have on the Kurgis. They cannot misuse the weapons. Then the writer tells us about the river Kaveri, and then which fish is found in abundant numbers in Kurg.
Mahashir.
Yes, Mahasir is the fish which is found in abundant numbers. Then you can see kingfishers, and what do the squirrels and the langurs do?
Ma'am, they throw the seeds in the water.
Do they throw the seeds in the water?
eaten fruits.
Yes, partially eaten fruits. What they do, they pluck the fruit, they eat half the fruit, and then they just drop it in water. And why do they drop that in water? Why do the squirrels and langurs drop the food in water, the fruit in
Because
water?
they enjoy the
Yes, yes, Aditya.
and they enjoy the effect in water.
Yes, they enjoy the ripples that is formed in water. They enjoy the ripples that is formed in the water when the fruit falls. Then elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their mahots. Elephants also enjoy bath in the rivers. And what do the caretakers of the elephant do? They scrub the elephant. They clean the body of the elephant in the river water. And the elephants enjoy having this luxurious bath in the river. The most laid back individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventure. The writer here says that laid back means what? Lazy individuals. Laid back means lazy, inactive people. The writer says that even if a person is lazy or inactive, once he goes to Coorg, he will change himself. He will become a convert because the atmosphere of Coorg is so energizing, so adventurous that even lazy individuals become adventurous. So, the writer here is telling us that even lazy individuals get transformed to energetic and adventurous person. Converts means change, transformed. And why do they get changed? Why do they change? Because of the energetic atmosphere of Coorg. The atmosphere of Coorg is such that even lazy people become energetic and adventurous, converts. Because there is a lot of scope of energy, there is lot of scope of adventure and sports in Coorg. What kind of adventure you can enjoy in sports in Coorg? One is river rafting. You know what is river rafting? What is a raft? A raft is a flat kind of boat. So, just planks of wood are tied together. 2-3 लकड़ी के तख्ते को, चौड़े तख्ते को आप टाई अप कर देते हो and then you travel on it in the water. That is raft. People enjoy many kinds of adventure in Coorg. So one is river rafting, then canoeing. Canoe is also a kind of boat. So raft is a flat boat, but canoe is a boat with pointed ends. Canoe is the boat with pointed ends. It has the shape of a boat, it has pointed ends, and then it also has a paddle. People can enjoy rafting, canoeing, having ride on the different kinds of boats. Then rappelling. Rappelling means climbing the mountain with the help of a rope. A rappelling, going down a cliff by sliding down a rope. Even going down a cliff by sliding down, using a rope, either to climb or come down. That is rappelling. Because it is a hilly area, and there is lot of scope of adventure and thrill and sports. Even lazy individuals get transformed to energetic people when they see so many people doing such sports activities. They also get involved in it. Rock climbing and mountain in a canoe. Canoe is a large, narrow boat. So raft is also kind of boat, but it has a platform. It is flat. So raft is flat boat, canoe is pointed at both the ends. Yes. My voice is clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Numerous walking trails. So trails means paths created by walking. Trails are paths created by walking. When you walk on a particular path, the soil gets settled and then that becomes a path. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. So, trekkers use this path to move to long distances. The trekkers move on the paths created. Birds, bees, and butterflies are there to give you company. As we know, 30% of Coorg is covered with forest, evergreen rainforest, 30%. So it's very natural that uh, it is a habitat of a large variety of birds and animals. Because there are forests, so there are variety of animals, birds, bees, butterflies. They can give you company. Macaques. So macaque is a kind of monkey, one of the species of monkeys. Macaques. Then Malabar squirrels. Then langurs, also kind of monkey, and slender lories. So lori is also a primate, developed mammal. It is a nocturnal animal. You know what is the meaning of nocturnal? Who can tell me the meaning of nocturnal? Hello? Who can tell me the meaning of Sugandh? Vijaya? Vijaya Roy? Hello? Hello, is my voice not audible? Hello? Anuj?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
आवाज आ रही है. So what is the meaning of nocturnal?
To awake at night and sleep during the day.
Yes, animals which are active at night, like owl is a nocturnal animal. So lories are also primates. They resemble monkey in some aspects, but they are nocturnal animals. They are more active at night. Slender lories. So lories are also primates who are active at night. Slender. Slender means what? What is the meaning of slender? Slender
Ma'am,
means
what?
slender. Slender. Slender lories. Slender means lean and thin. So slender means lean and thin. So you can see variety of animals in Coorg because it is forest area. 30% of Coorg is forest. Okay. So who can tell me which is the best time to visit Coorg? From which month to which month? Kishan Kumar? Which is the most appropriate months to visit Coorg? Advit? Hello? Hello?
yes, ma'am.
Hello, yes, ma'am.
In early September.
Ma'am, during the monsoon.
During the monsoons, it is not appropriate to visit because it
Ma'am,
rains
early
very
September.
heavily.
From September till March.
October to March, I think. October, after the end of the rainy season. Okay. October to March, that is the best time to visit. Okay. What is the meaning of canopy? I told you the meaning of canopy the previous day. Canopy.
It's a type of tree.
It's a layer in forest.
So
Anuj, repeat your answer. Canopy. Hello.
Like structure that look like shelters.
Yes, it is a roof or umbrella like structure. Roof or umbrella like structure that is formed by the branches of the trees. The branches of the trees, they spread and they join and they make a roof like structure. That is the canopy. If you visit Coorg, you can see a variety of birds, bees, animals, and Malabar squirrels, langurs, lories keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. And these monkeys and these lories, they are very good at climbing. So what do? They go and sit at the topmost branches. And from those topmost branches, they look at all the visitors. They keep a watchful eye. Keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. The writer is especially scared of wild elephants. Whenever the writer sees the wild elephants, what he does? He steps aside. जब भी राइटर जो है वाइल्ड एलिफेंट्स के झुंड को देखते हैं तो वो क्या करते हैं? बिल्कुल दूर हट जाते हैं. वाइल्ड एलिफेंट से उनको बहुत डर लगता है. Writer, whenever he sees the wild elephants, he moves aside very quickly. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape. Panoramic means view of the wide area of land. आपको कुर्ग का panoramic view जो है वो कहाँ से मिल सकता है? If you want to see a large area of Coorg, then the best thing is that you climb the Brahmagiri hills, and from that height you can see the view of the whole large area of Coorg. Of course, not the whole area, but a wide area. Panoramic means view of a wide area. To get the view of the wide area, the panoramic view, you have to climb the Brahmagiri hills of the entire misty. Misty means wet. Wet, full of moisture, mist. Coorg is a misty area. In the rainy season, of course, it rains a lot. The writer says that visitors don't come to Coorg. It keeps the visitors away in rainy season. But even in the other months, there are showers now and then. It is a wet area. A misty landscape of Coorg. A walk across the rope bridge leads to the 64-acre of Nasargadhama. There is also a rope bridge, and once you cross this rope bridge है, एक बार आप वो rope bridge को cross कर लेंगे तो आप कहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे? You reach the 4-acre island of Nasargadhama. Once you cross the bridge, where do you reach? The 4-acre island of Nasargadhama. 64-acre island. So after you cross the rope bridge, you reach an island that is spread in an area of 64 acre. And what is the name of the island? Nisargadhama. Running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement. In Coorg, you also get to meet a large number of Buddhist monks. Why? Because nearby in the area called Bailakuppe, you have the largest Tibetan settlement. Near the island of Nisargadhama, which you can reach. आप निसारगधामा आइलैंड कैसे पहुंच सकते हैं? रोप ब्रिज को क्रॉस करके आप 64 एकड़ वाले आइलैंड में पहुंच सकते हैं, जिसका नाम है निसारगधामा आइलैंड. और उसके बाद जो है कुर्ग you can meet many Buddhist monks. You can see many Buddhist monks because there is a very big Tibetan settlement over there in the nearby area in the Bailakuppe. Near Nisargadhama there is another place called Bailakuppe, and in that place you have the largest Tibetan settlement. You can even see many Buddhist monks. So that is a bonus for you. Apart from seeing all the beautiful places of Coorg, apart from enjoying the different kinds of adventurous sports, rafting, canoeing, rappelling, you also get to see a lot of Buddhist monks and the beautiful 64-acre island Nisargadhama. All this is a bonus. The monks in red, ochre, and yellow robes. So, ROBE robe, what is the meaning? Robes? Robes means?
Clothes.
Yes, clothes. Robe means clothes or dress. What color clothes do these Buddhist monks wear? So they wear either the red clothes or ochre. Ochre is orange. मॉन्क्स लोग ज़्यादातर जो है वो ऑरेंज कपड़े ही पहनते, तो ये बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स जो है वो या तो रेड कलर के कपड़े पहनते हैं या ऑरेंज पहनते हैं, ओकर, एंड समटाइम्स दे ऑल्सो वेयर द येलो क्लोथ्स आर अमंग्स द मैनी सरप्राइजेस. सो दिस इज़ अ सरप्राइज फॉर यू. You know that Coorg is a very beautiful place, but meeting these Buddhist monks, it is a surprise for you, it is a bonus for you, are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India, searching for the heart and soul of India, right here in Coorg. So, okay. Okay, what does the writer compare Coorg to? What does the writer say about Coorg? Hello? Who will answer? No one. What does he say in the beginning of the chapter about Coorg?
I'm a heaven.
Yes, the writer says that it is like a paradise. It has drifted from the uh, kingdom of God. It is a paradise which has drifted from the kingdom of God. Okay, let us see the question answer. How to reach? जाना है किसी को कूर्ग? After reading the chapter, anyone wants to go to Coorg? So how to reach is given. If you want to go in future, of course, present you have the pandemic, you cannot go. अभी ये न्यू चैप्टर कल स्टार्ट करेंगे क्या अभी? लेट अस सी द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. और टुमारो we will revise complaint letter. Complaint letter. Okay. Where is Coorg?
In
What is-
Karnataka.
Karnataka. Situated between? Smallest district of between Mysore and Mangalore. Okay. What are some of the things you know about the people of Coorg? Kishan Kumar. What are some of the special qualities of the people of Coorg? repetition है, लेकिन 5 minutes is there, so I don't want to start anything new. We will just, so what are some of the things you know about the people of Kur? Who will tell me? Participants. Jayant Kumar is present. Jayant Kumar Teni, I have made you the monitor. Jayant? Jayant, are you listening? Teni. Jayant, you are the prefect, and among the girls, Neha Sinha is the prefect. Neha? Neha, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are the prefect. Is it all right? But you have to be regular in your class. Okay. Who can tell me something, the special features, qualities of the people of Coorg?
And they are famous for their hospitality, and in clearing army, troops are most awarded.
Yes, when it comes to the people of Coorg, two qualities is very outstanding. One is their hospitality, other is their valor. So they are known for their valor and their hospitality. Then the main crop, we'll say the main crop. क्या है बताओ अनुज कौशल किशोर, टेल मी द मेन क्रॉप.
Ma'am, coffee.
Okay, yes, coffee. Coffee. You can see huge plantations of coffee. Sports. What are the different kinds of sports?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes. What are the different kinds of
Ma'am,
sports?
river rafting and mount climbing.
Yes, river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, trekking. So
Rock climbing.
क्या?
Ma'am, mountain climbing.
Yes, mountain climbing. It is a hilly area, mountainous area, so mountain climbing is also one of the sports. Then trekking, then rappelling, coming down a cliff with the help of rope, that is rappelling. Then rafting, riding on a flat surface boat. Then canoeing. These are the different sports. नहीं तो है. How to reach दिया हुआ है. Those who are planning to visit this place, after reading this chapter, you can read it. How to reach is given by air, by rail, by road. हाँ, तीनों से कैसे जा सकते हो वहाँ दिया हुआ है. So, if anyone is interested, you can read it. Okay. So tomorrow we will deal with complaint letter. So complaint letter can be official or business. Complaint letters are also of two kinds, official or business letters. Business means if you write about some defective product or defective things, goods you have purchased, so that is business. Then official, when you write about something that is going on, suppose if you write a complaint letter to the SP of police regarding the crime in your area, that is a official complaint letter. Okay, so okay. Anybody wants to ask anything? Are you practicing the MCQ questions that I have sent you? Okay, or tomorrow maybe we'll practice that. Let me decide. Either complaint letter or MCQ practice. Okay. Okay, so I'm ending your class. Bye, all of you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.